Drone startup companies are resurrecting industrial towns in the Midwest. Kelly Saberi joining us now from a factory in Auburn Hills, Michigan. All right, Kelly, can you show me the drones that they're making in that factory?
Yes, we kind of have some help from my friends here to show us a little bit about what they do. Now, Stuart, this company started as a drone light show company, and now they've pivoted into the defense industry because contractors reached out to them in this defense industry to use them as anti-drone test systems and attack simulation. The company expanded into military training after being approached by these different companies, and what they do is basically give soldiers a sense of what it would be like to be in a swarm of drones attacking them in real time. So what you're looking at is going to be what they originally did with these light shows. But they had the capability of sending thousands of drones at a time into a simulated battlefield, if you will, so that soldiers understand what they would be hearing and feeling and experiencing in that situation. And troops in Ukraine use Chinese companies for drone weapons. Swarm has to make sure each piece is what we call NDAA compliant. This is a set of rules that protects national defense. Drone and defense experts believe China is dominating the drone industry. Some people estimate the U.S. can only produce about 100,000 drones a year, while China can produce somewhere around 1 million or more.
We have a tall task ahead of us to, continue supplying drones without the dependency on foreign nations. There's been a lot of drone manufacturing in the States. We're one of the few companies that committed to doing that many years ago. And so we need to be ready to scale, we need to be ready to react, and we need to be ready to support American drone dominance.
All right, Stuart, I'm not going to come back to you. I'm just going to let you take a look at the intensity of what these guys do. It's all very coordinated, takes a lot of skill to make it all happen, but this is how they train soldiers for the future of war.
Put on a show just for you. They launched and brought them down here just for you. It was very impressive, I got to say.